If you try to wear your headphones like this, you won't become Cyclops. So a friend of mine let me borrow his Skullcandy Uproar wireless headphones. So when I first listened to these headphones and I saw the MRP, which clearly says rupees 5499, that is about almost 80 US dollars. I felt that these are way overpriced for the kind of quality of the sound they produce, for the quality of the materials used in the headphones, and for the comfort. So there's a volume up, volume down key. The same buttons also skip tracks. The middle button is the power button, and you also need to hold this while you are pairing it to a device for the very first time. So definitely these cushions could have used some work. They could have been more comfortable. These are clearly and very easily on-ear headphones, not over-ear headphones. I have no idea why they tried to put these cushions on top of the headphone. They're quite small and quite thin to give any sort of comfort to any head whatsoever. I could be wrong. You could have a soft head and it serves the purpose to you. Of course, I have a hard head. One thing I noticed is that as you can see, the wire is clearly visible right on the plastic part. So I would say for the wire, it's not quite a safe proposition, and you need to be very careful when you pack these headphones in your bag or just throw them around, because these wires can easily cut off. These are not heavy headphones at all. The build quality does feel cheap, but I think if the materials of the plastic used on these headphones are good, then they can really last you long. But I've read on some reviews online that people do say that they are very reliable and they have lasted a very long time for them. So if I believe in those customer reviews, I would start to feel that yes, this light plastic is really of good quality, but only time can tell that. So out of the box, you get a micro USB charging cable and a headphones. That's it. A user manual and stuff like that. So I mostly listen to trance on these, which is the primary genre of music which I listen to. I felt the sound is quite balanced. The bass is decent. If I push myself into believing that these headphones should really cost around 25 to 30 USD dollars, then I would truly enjoy the sound. But if Skullcandy tries to sell these to me for 80 US dollars, which is almost rupees 5,500 in Indian currency, then I would truly hate these headphones. The primary reason for hating these headphones won't be the sound, but the comfort they provide. The plastic, if it is of really good quality or not, only time can tell that. But apart from these things, what I can immediately check is the quality of the sound and the comfort. The quality of sound is just above average for a 25 to 30 US dollars headphones, Bluetooth headphones. But the comfort on my head, they were not comfortable at all. So as some of you may know that I have a big head. These were truly uncomfortable for me. I couldn't wear them more than let's say 30 minutes or so without taking them off, taking a little break, and then again putting them back on. One more thing I noticed, that these headphones do not have a very high volume when I reach the maximum volume level both on my phone and on the headphones. It's not bad, it's not very low, but it is a thing which is good to know. These headphones claim they have 40mm drivers, and I believe so, and I think apart from the 40mm driver inside of it, there is nothing else. About the battery life, the battery can easily last you for a day, and even more than that if you're not a crazy maniac and you use your headphones for 15 hours straight. The charging time is around 3 to 4 hours, which is quite fine for the backup it's providing. If you want to see more reviews on Bluetooth headphones, let me know in the comment section, and do subscribe to my channel because it motivates me a lot for making videos past midnight. So if you are getting these headphones under some deals, some amazing deals like how I saw on Amazon US for 25 to 30 US dollars, you can definitely purchase these headphones, but do not purchase them at their maximum retail price. That is for sure. These are not worth that price at all. And if you notice, these headphones were made in China, so is everything else, except for Apple flagship phones. Now they are being made in India. So I would say these headphones have a balanced sound. The bass is decent. The clarity is fine. But do not expect anything exceptional from these headphones. They are just another average headphones which are there out in the market to please you if you just wanted a branded Bluetooth headphone. So I think Skullcandy here did try to charge you a lot for a headphones which could have easily costed half of its MRP, which is Indian rupees 5,500 and round about 80 US dollars. But when I looked at some deals on the same headphones on Amazon US, I noticed that these went as low as 25 US dollars, And believe me, for that much amount of money, even for $30 US, these are really good headphones, provided that you don't have a huge head. So you are going to be fairly pleased with these headphones if you bought them at a good price. If you paid anything around 60 or 70 USD or above, you will feel you have been cheated. So I think this video is supposed to be a responsible video and make you a smart consumer. Well, hit that subscribe button then. I did not mean to roast these headphones in this video, but I thought to add some humor and I hope you like it. That's all for today. Mewbot out. The skull here on the headphones signify that they belong to Skullcandy company. What am I saying?